Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue exercise 13.5 probability. So in that 11th problem, find the probability of getting 5 exactly twice in 7th rows of a die. So here what we are doing, what is a random experiment? So we are throwing a die. How many times? 7 times we are throwing a die. Next. So getting 5 is success in this problem. How many times? 2 times. Getting 5 2 times is success out of 7th rows. So what is the probability of getting 5 exactly twice in 7th rows of a die? So here what is random variable x denotes? Let x denotes the random variable x denotes the random variable getting of 5 when a coin is when a die is rolled, when a die is thrown or die is rolled. Next, how many times you are throwing a die? 7 times. So number of trials are 7. Next, P, probability of success. What is probability of success here? Probability of getting 5 when a die is thrown. When a die is thrown. So that means die means it has 6 outcomes. Out of 6 outcomes, getting a 5 is success means. So how many times? 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6 sample points, getting a 5 is success means 1 by 6. 1 by 6. Next, then what is Q? Q value is 1 minus P. 1 minus 1 by 6. 1 minus 1 by 6 is 5 by 6. Next, probability of what to find? Probability of getting 5 exactly twice. Getting 5 exactly twice. Getting 5 exactly twice. Probability of P of getting 5. So what is x denotes here? Getting of 5. Getting of 5. Exactly twice means 2 times. B of x is equal to 2. Probability of getting, what is x denotes here? The x denotes the random variable getting of 5 when a die is thrown. How many times? 2 times. Out of how many throws? 7 throws. That means number of tries are 7. So what is the formula? NCR. NCR. N means 5. N means 7. 7C. R value is 2. 7C2 into Q power n minus R. 5 by 2 whole power 7 minus 2 into 5 by 6. 5 by 6 whole power 7 minus 2 into 1 by 6 whole power 2. So P of x is equal to 2 is equal to 7 into 6 by 1 into 2 by 5 by 6 whole power 5 into 1 by 6 whole square. 21 into 5 power 5 by 6 power 7 is the answer for this problem. Find the probability of throwing at most 2 sixes in 6 throws of a single die. Probability of throwing at most 2 sixes, that means maximum 2 sixes in 6 throws of a single die. One die is there, so how many times we are throwing? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times we are throwing a die. So probability of getting at most 2 sixes. So first time it may show 6, second time it may show 2, third time it may show 5. So like that, maximum time how many times? At most 2 sixes. Minimum 2 sixes we have to, at most means maximum 2 sixes in 6 throws of a single die. So how to find this problem is, let x denotes the X denotes the random variable. X denotes the random variable getting of 6 in 6 throws of a single die. Next, P. Here P means probability of success. When a die is thrown, what is the probability of getting 6? So out of 6 chances, what is the probability of getting 6? Only 1 chance. So probability of success is 1. Next, then Q. Q is failure. Probability of failure is 1 minus P. 1 minus P means 1 by 6. 1 minus 1 by 6 is 5 by 6. So how many times we are throwing a die? 6 times. So number of tries are 6. Next, what to find? Find the probability of throwing at most 2 sixes, getting of at most 2 sixes. What is X denotes here? X denotes the getting of 6 in 6 throws of a die. At most 2 sixes means maximum 2. That's why I am using less than or equal to symbol. At most means it may be 2 or 1 or 0. So that's why we have to denote with less than or equal to 2. At most 2 sixes means probability of X means getting of 6 in 6 throws of a single die. At most 2 times means less than or equal to 2. That means P of X is equal to 0 or P of X is equal to 1 or P of X is equal to 2. Out of 6 times, either 0 times you may get 6 or 1 time or 2 times. So what is the formula for this? 6C0 into Q power 6 into P power 0 plus 6C1 into Q power 5 into P power 1 plus 6C2 into Q power 4 into P power 2. So if you observe these 3 sample points, Q power 4 is common. So take Q power 4 common. If you take Q power 4 common, 6C naught value is 1. 1 into Q square into 1 you will get here plus 6C1 value is 6. Here you will get Q. If you take Q power 4 common, next to P. Next plus 6C2 value 6 into 5 by 1 into 2. 3 are. So 15 into Q power 4 value already we took common. Next to P square. Q means how much? Q value is how much? 5 by 6. Substitute here 5 by 6 whole power 4 into 1 into Q square. That means Q square. Q square means 5 by 6 whole square. That means 25 by 36 plus 6 into P into Q. 1 by 6 into 5 by 6 plus 15 into 1 into P square means P square. P square value is 1 by 36. So here you will get 5 by 6 whole power 4 into 36 LCM. 36 LCM 25 plus 30. 25 plus 30 plus 15. So finally you will get 5 by 6 whole power 4 into 25 plus 15. 40 plus 30. 70 by 36 to 35 are 218. So final answer is 35 by 18 into 5 by 6 whole power 4 is the answer for this problem. Next problem, it is known that 10% of certain articles manufactured are defective. What is the probability that in a sample of 12 such articles, 9 are defective. So here what is X denotes? Let X denotes the random variable selecting of defective article, out of 12 sample articles. Next, what is P? P means probability of success. What is success here? Selecting of defective articles. It is known that 10% of certain article are manufactured are defective. So selection of defective article is success. So P of success is how much? 10%. 10% means 10 by 100. 1 by 10. Then what is failure? Q is equal to 1 minus P. 1 minus 1 by 10. 9 by 10. So number of trials. How many trials are there? The probability that in a random of sample space of 12 such articles. Out of 12 such articles means number of sample points are 12. 9 are defective. So what to find finally? Probability. What is the probability of P for probability of random in a random sample of 12 such articles. 9 are defective. So what is X denotes here? X denotes the selecting of random article out of 12 sample articles. So 9 are defective. Probability of out of 12 sample articles, 9 are defective. This we have to find. So what is the formula for this? NCR. 12CR. 12CR means here 9. 12C 9 into Q power n minus R. 9 by 10 whole power 12 minus 9 into 1 by 10 whole power 9. Whole power 9. 12C 9 is also equal to 12C 3. 12 into 11 into 10 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 9 by 10 whole power 3 into 1 by 10 power 9. 1 by 10 power 9. So 3 2s are 6. 6 into 2 times 2 into 11 22 into 10 by 22 into 10 into 9 cube by 10 cube into 10 power 9. So 10 gets cancelled. 22 into 9 cube by 10 square into 10 power 9. That means 10 power 11 is the answer for this problem. Next problem. In a box containing 100 bulbs, 10 are defective. The probability that out of sample of 5 bulbs, none is defective. So in 100 bulbs, 10 bulbs are defective. So how many sample bulbs we are taking? 5 sample bulbs. So that's why n value is how much? N is equal to 5. N value is 5. Next, what is X denotes here? X denotes the random variable. X denotes the random variable. X denotes the random variable. Sample of selection of defective bulb. Selection of defective bulb out of selection of defective bulb. Sample of 5 bulbs. Sample of 5 bulbs. Next, P. What is P denotes here? Probability of success. So what is probability of success? So out of 100 bulbs, 10 bulbs are defective. So that's why it is 10 by 100. 10 by 100 means 1 by 1 by 10. Next q is equal to 1 minus p. 1 minus 1 by 10. 9 by 10. 9 by 10. P is 1 by 10. Q is 9 by 10. N is equal to 5. Therefore, what to find finally? Probability of sample of 5 bulbs. What is X denotes here? X denotes the selection of defective bulb. Defective bulb, sample of 5 bulbs. Sample of 5 bulbs, how many defective bulbs we should consider? 0. So that's why P of X is equal to 0. So what is the formula for this? NCR 5C0 into Q power n minus R. 9 by 10 whole power 5 minus 0 into P power 1 by 10 whole power 0. So this is 1 and this is also 1 into 9 by 10 whole power 5. 1 into 9 by 10 means 9 by 10 whole power 5. This is the answer. So option C is correct. Next problem. The probability that a student is not a swimmer is 1 by 5. The probability that out of 5 students 4 are swimmers is. So here we are taking, let random x denotes the random variable, x denotes the random variable, let x denotes the random variable that a student is a swimmer, that a student is a swimmer. A student is a swimmer out of 5 students. Out of 5 students. Out of 5 students. Next, what is x denotes? A student is a swimmer out of 5 students. We are taking here swimmer as a swimmers we are taking out of 5 students. So here what is given? Probability that a student is not a swimmer is given. Not a swimmer is given means q is given. Q value. Failure is how much? 1 by 5. So swimmer is, how many chances are there? 4 by 5. 1 minus q. 1 minus q. 1 minus 1 by 5. 1 minus 1 by 5 is 4 by 5. P value is 4 by 5. Next. Probability of what to find? Probability of P of X. What is X denotes? Random variable that a student is a swimmer out of 5 students. So out of 5 students, so how many swimmers should be there? 4 students. Probability of selecting a student is a swimmer. 4 students, X is equal to 4. So NCR, N value 5, C 4 into Q power n minus R, 1 by 5 whole power 5 minus 4. Q power n minus R, 1 by 5, 5 minus 4 into P power 4 by 5 whole power R, 4 by 5 whole power 4. So 5C4 into 1 by 5 whole power 1 into 4 by 5 whole power 4. So option 1 is correct.